Well, M12 fuel drill is very compact, very lightweight, very easy to use. There's plenty of power, plenty of torque. It can do almost every job.
Milwaukee fuel drill is more powerful than the other drills that I've used in the past. For somebody that uses a lot of power tools, you can hear that the motor is a higher quality. I like how it's got the 1/2-inch chuck, so if you need to put a bigger drill bit on it, you can. It's got a hammer feature on it, which is nice because a lot of the other drills don't have that option either. And the interchangeable battery sizes is nice too.
Hey, it's nice to have something nice and light, very easy, and lighter's better.
Nice and light too when you gotta put them in your pouch and wear them, walk around all day long with them on.
I like the lightweight and it's compact. You can get into tight spaces. It's much easier to maneuver. It's actually impressive that how small it is and how much power it has behind it.
When we get into tight spaces, it's really nice to have the smaller drill.
You can get in any small space you want. Powerful and does a great job.
There's plenty of power for our everyday use with the M12 fuel.
They are heavy duty, they are durable, long lasting, and appropriate for the job.
It's a perfect tool.